This conference will now be recorded.
So we are very much close to complete this faculty development program. We welcome you here, all the participants. Respected dignitaries, faculty members, and participants, we are gathered here for the valedictory ceremony of the 2-week faculty development program on innovative pedagogical methodologies and tools for effective learning in engineering education, sponsored by AICTE New Delhi under AQIS, AICTE Quality Improvement Scheme organized by Department of Business Administration, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana, from 7th December till today through GoToMeeting app. Before starting today's proceedings, I, Dr. Navdeep Kaur, Assistant Professor, Coordinator of this FDP and Department of Business Administration, pays my regards to all the dignitaries present here. I extend a warm welcome to the Chief Partner of this Faculty Development Program, Dr. Sehajpal Singh, Principal, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. And I also like to welcome patron of this Faculty Development Program, our respected Head of the Department, Dr. Parampal Singh. I also welcome all the participants from various academic institutions across the country here with us during this Faculty Development Program. Who were learning and exchanging knowledge through this session from the last 2 weeks. But not the least, I extend a special welcome to all the deans, head of the departments, faculty member of GNDC, who are gracing this valedictory ceremony with their presence. Now I request Dr. Parampal sir, head of the department, to kindly address the audience and encourage them with his words of wisdom. Sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Navdeep. I hope I am audible to you all.
Yes, sir.
I am audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're quite audible.
Yes, sir. Okay, that's great. I welcome all of you, all the participants in this valedictory function for this 15-day faculty development program being organized by the Department of Business Administration, Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. So this faculty development program with a prime focus on the teaching pedagogy, it started on, if I'm not mistaken, on 7th of December. Am I right, Dr. Navdeep? It started on 7th of December, and today, that is on 21st, we are culminating it. We are formally going for the closing ceremony or the valedictory function for this very particular FDP. I hope that all the participants would have gained a lot, since all of you, most of you are from the engineering background and are teachers. So the topics which would have been covered and which have been covered in all these past 15 days would have been quite relevant to you people, and it would have added to your more experience and devising new pedagogical tools and techniques. I think this 15-day program has been a success as per my side and as per the feedback being given by all of the participants. So on the onset, I congratulate the coordinator, Dr. Navdeep Kaur, for taking all the pains for these last 15 days. She has been on and off, and she has been instrumental in arranging everything. I would also like to extend a thanks to the back-end team being handled by Jaspreet Kaur and Rimal, and all the members of the faculty and the organizing members of the organizing committee for being over here and being there for all these days and making this FDP success. So I think that your feedback which you have given for almost all the sessions simultaneously would be taken into account, and certain new issues which might have cropped up, or certain improvements that might have been needed in this FDP would be taken care in the future FDPs. So I congratulate one and all, and I thank all the participants for being a part of this very particular journey for the last 15 days. Over to you, Dr. Navdeep. Thank you so much.
Any question and any suggestion from the participants side, please? Welcome all the feedback and any information that you want to share with us, please. Any information, anything that you want to share from the last 15 days, you want to share with us, please?
Madam, can I say something?
Are you sure, Dr. Yes.
Yeah, it was wonderfully organized function, and I was a participant for the first FDP also, and now I also participated in this program as well. And overall, I mean, the kind of resource person that you had arranged, streamlined for all these 15 days was very good, and all the sessions were very knowledgeable. I mean, we could learn a lot of things from them, and especially I thank each one of you, especially Parampal Singh as well as Navdeep Kaur, madam, for taking all the pains for organizing these 2 consecutive FDPs. I know that having such kind of an FDP and coordinating with so many people at the same time, with so many resource persons, with technology at the back end, is not an easy job. It takes a lot of efforts from your end in streamlining all these things. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity for every teachers here to learn and improve upon our teaching. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjeev, for the inputs that you have given.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would also like to thank Dr. Parampal sir and Navdeep ma'am.
Okay, Dr. Let us know if anyone else wants to give some kind of feedback. Anyone else would be interested? Okay, we have Amandeep Singh.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
It was a great opportunity for me to be part of this FDP by attending wonderful lectures from very wonderful resource persons. All the lectures were very knowledgeable. Even I'm from Electronics and Communication Department, but I have learned so many things regarding teaching and pedagogy techniques. That is how to deliver lectures to students, how to make connections with students so that we can moralize them, we can motivate them to attend, to make their interest further. So I just want to deliver my sincere thanks to the whole of department for organizing such a wonderful and very informative session, and hopefully in future I will also attend other events that will be conducted by the department. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Anyone want to add something here? At the end, I would like to thank our worthy principal, Dr. Sehajpal Singh, Principal Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, to encourage us and support us to do this kind of activities. Yeah, I also would like to thanks to our respected head of the department, Dr. Parampal Singh, for the worthy, wholeheartedly support provided by Sir in the Department of Business Administration itself. And at the last but not the least, I also would like to thanks to my MBA students, especially Remal Kashyap and Jaspreet Kaur, who are there from the last 2 weeks with me, constantly with me during this, both the FDPs, even both the FDPs, uh, uh, they both are with me during the FDPs. Thanks to all of you as a participants who are there with us from the last 2 weeks. Thanks a lot. And we will be releasing the score very soon. After that, we will releasing the certificates within a day or two. So please wait for another 1 or 2 for the certificates. We will be releasing the score very soon. Within a 10 minutes, we are releasing the scores. Release करती हूँ। Who are successfully, we have released the score just right now. Please check your score, who are having 80% attendance and above 60% marks will get the certificates on and receive their certificates on their emails. If anybody want to know anything, please just text me or send me a mail. Thank you very much for connecting with us. Thanks a lot.